Hello everyone, welcome back to the community kitchen at home. Today I'm doing salad niçoise, which is a French salad. I picked this salad because we know that April is Cancer Awareness Month, and this recipe is really good. It has a lot of ingredients that are good for fighting cancer, such as the asparagus and the fresh garlic and the beans. So we're gonna start with it. It has a lot of ingredients in it, but they're all easy to prepare ingredients. So we have the tuna here, which is packed in water, which is much healthier. We just squeeze a lemon on it and a little bit of olive oil. We have boiled eggs that goes into this salad too. And also I have potatoes that are also a good addition to this salad. Just regular boiled, those are the yellow potatoes. They're just because they're creamier and they're tastier, but any potato you like or you have would also work. The other ingredient would be the beans, which is an important ingredient here too. So we have just this. Whether you soak your beans or you use a can, make sure you rinse it. You drain the water from it, you rinse it, and then you drain it again. So those are our beans here. And then we have the rest of the ingredients, such as olives. I'm using today the dry olives. They're packed in nutrients. They're really tasty and they're good for you. Everything, obviously, they have a lot of oil in them, but in moderation. We should be able to eat anything in moderation. So those are the olives here that we could use. We could use any kind of tomato. I'm using cherry tomatoes today. They're in season. We have them. So I'm using pickled artichoke, which is also, as we all know, is very nutritious, has a lot of vitamins in it. You don't have to, this is optional, but if you have it, it would be a great addition. Like you can see, it's a salad of all things. It has the proteins, it has the carbs, it has the vegetables. So it's an amazing salad actually. And you could put green beans, goes very well. Today I'm using asparagus because, again, it's also in something that's in season. So I'd like to use seasonal stuff. So asparagus will be a great addition to this dish. You could just put them around, make them look pretty. And you could add cucumbers if you don't have, for example, any of the asparagus. You could add any vegetables you like. You could add peppers, anything is really, but those are the staples. Those are the things that you always find in a niçoise salad. It's like I said, it's packed in so many things, and it's great for a picnic. It's great for like a barbecue, or for example, if you're gathering with friends, you want to do something, you bring something over. The only thing that you have to prepare for this would be the dressing. This is just fresh lemon juice and fresh crushed garlic with some olive oil and whatever herbs you have or you like. I have here fresh mint, fresh parsley, and fresh thyme, but even just one of those would be enough. But I had them, so I used them. This is what gives everything its flavor, and so we drizzle as much as you will want all over the make sure there is some of this dressing on everything, because it really gives it so much flavor and makes it look so much more pleasing and yummy. Obviously, you could also add it to the tomatoes. And like I said, the tuna already has some olive oil in it and some a little bit of lemon juice too. So this is our salad. Like I said, it's great for cancer because of the beans, which all of the beans and the asparagus and the fresh garlic are great they fight for fighting cancer in our bodies. And like you said, it's like a complete meal. It could be a full lunch, it could be, like I said, a picnic a lunch. It's for parties, for gatherings. It's simple to put together, mostly already prepared. So I hope you like it and you enjoy it. One other thing I would like to mention is that April is the daffodil month, and daffodil is a symbol of cancer because it's represents hope, it represents strength and courage. It's the first flower that opens after a long winter. It's the first flower that blooms and indicates the new beginning, rebirth. So that's why people who are dealing with cancer, they consider this to be the flower for that disease. I hope you take care of yourself, you eat well, you eat things like healthy like this to give your body a chance to fight diseases better. And I hope you also spread awareness about this terrible disease. We all lost loved ones to it by talking about it, by volunteering, by helping, by donating, or anything we should do in order to beat this terrible disease. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.